Greetings everyone, my name is Katamori and I'm proud to announce you a new video series that I simply call Indie Revolution. In this series I get recommendations for interesting indie games for their developers and other guys, and I'm gonna review them in first impression gameplay commentary videos. And this is the first time. So let's try the first game I have ever gotten. Sorry, I'm terribly wrong at English sometimes. Anyway, first time I asked for recommendations on Reddit, and Soldr was the first game I got for trying. This game is made by TED96 and I'm gonna try this game now. Okay, well, I already had a recording attempt which was unsuccessful because of some mistakes, but anyway, I still didn't see most of the game, so let's start it. I don't want to try this random version yet, maybe later. Anyway, the first tutorial was about the GUI of the game, which pretty much looks like a integrated development environment, developer environment, or developing environment, I don't know. Anyway, this very special place especially reminds me of the Microsoft Visual Studio GUI at some point. Okay, so the matter is that I can program this little robot by writing actual code into this box, and I get errors when I do mistakes, and I can fasten things up and stuff like that. So the concept itself is absolutely great, but I hate that I can't fucking read a semicolon. Now I'm pressing Alt-GR and the question mark button and nothing happens. I think you can hear me. I press both buttons at the same time and nothing happens, so I have to use Notepad. But anyway, it happens. So I finished. Let's check the second level. Most levels cannot be solved with just one instruction. The instructions you write will be executed in order from top to bottom. You know, it's pretty interesting because I have already seen some games where I had to manage the motion of a robot or anything, but it has never happened with actual code, so it's especially interesting. In order to finish this level, the robot must move forward the one grid space. This instruction is a go, and then Soldr. Conventionally, but not necessarily, these functions are written in separate lines. Also, they are working in the same line. That's cool. Oh god, I think I'm about to love this game. Yes, and it's even in a 3 dimension actually. It's a 3D robot, and it looks even well. I especially love this connection icon on it. Anyway, let's see the next tutorial. In order to complete this level, the robot must go forward 5 spaces, then Soldr. We could write the go instruction 5 times, but we have a better solution. We can use arguments. The argument is a number that we feed into an instruction. For example, the go 5 instruction, where 5 is the argument, tells the robot to go forward 5 spaces. You know, it actually doesn't sound valid because the brackets mean usually that the command I write is a function. So this actually calls a function with 0 arguments. I mean input arguments. So I think in C++ it can't work, because in C++ you have to define the type of the function. Oh, sorry, forgot about. Oh, wait. It definitely wouldn't work, I think, in Lua either, because you have to define what kind of parameters are necessary for a function. So go with 2 brackets is actually a function which needs no input parameters. But if I write 5 within it, it's already a parameter. But you know, I don't really mind it. I just noticed this small mistake, but I can forgive it absolutely. Okay, let's check the motion of this robot. Cool. Let's check the next one. In order to complete this level, the robot has to go backward 3 spaces, then Soldr. There are 2 ways to go this. We can either use the go backward instruction with the argument 3, or we can use the go instruction with the argument -3. That's cool. You know, I think I'm gonna do both. I would like to see the robot in motion, I mean. Okay, it should work. Let's check it out. Wow, it's just brilliant. Oh wow. Most levels will have more than one solder spot. The robot just has to go over each one of them and run the solder instruction above them. Oh, that's cool. I love programming games, you know. The concept itself is just great. From the same reasons I loved the game called Uplink from Introverted Software, which was an indie game as well, and actually the first game of Introverted Software, but I'm pretty sure about that, you already know. Introverted Software. Anyway, it wasn't hard. Oh, things are about to become harder. In order to complete this level, the robot has to go forward 4 spaces, Soldr, then rotate right, go forward 1 space and then Soldr again. The instruction to rotate right clockwise is rotate. It can use arguments. To the arguments we specify how many 90-degree turns it takes. Okay, so I need to go 4, and then rotate 1, but that's not even necessary, I think. And then go, oh wait a minute, Soldr, go and Soldr again. I love that I don't have to use loops actually, so I just have to take arguments for the function. In this level, the robot has to take a left hand counterclockwise turn. The instruction is to do that is rotate left. You can also use rotate -1 to do the same thing. Okay. It's gonna be a little bit longer. Maybe it's a little bit forced, but I don't really care. Yeah, it's a little bit repetitive. See what happens now. Soldr, go, rotate, Soldr, go, rotate, Soldr, so it has to go again. Go, rotate left, Soldr. And we are done, I guess. We must be done because I called Soldr function 4 times. Yes. Okay, well, this last term wasn't necessary, but I don't care. The blue rectangle in front of the robot is an obstacle. To complete this level, the robot will have to drive around it. Use the own instructions to do that. If you need to go over the instructions again, open the help with the button in the upper right corner of the screen. I hope you don't mean this, icon, because that absolutely closes the game. Anyway, it won't be hard for me. But you know, if I can use rotate to rotate left and I can use go to go backwards, then most certainly functions go backwards and rotate left are not necessary actually. That's all, I guess. Cool. Let's check the last tutorial. Oh, holy cow. You can even copy text from another text editor. You don't say. Haha. Okay. Let's think about it. Rotate, go to, rotate -1, go to, rotate, oh fuck. Okay, can I, oh, cool, I can copy and paste text. I didn't know about that. Rotate, go, oh, yes, rotate, go to, rotate -1, go to, rotate -1 again, then go to, then Soldr, and the rest is almost the same. Okay, so it rotates, it goes to, rotates back, goes to, rotates back, goes to, Soldr, then it goes to again, it rotates properly, yes, rotates properly, it goes to again, ouch, and then it rotates and goes, and then solders, and the rest is the same except this one rotate. Value theory, let's test it. Yes, it exactly does that. Okay, it contains 2 solders, and then it contains 4 solders, and then we are done, I think. Check it out. Yes, that's all. I have finished the tutorials, and we still didn't get any point of memory usage. Oh, you are so cruel, and I recorded 15 minutes. Cool. This level requires you to use loops. The loops are written in C-style syntax. Consult the documentation for help with that. Open the help overplay upper left button switch to the second page. Oh, okay. Aha! It's kind of detailed. Wow. It's just simply awesome. Damn, it's a great game. Okay, we're not a revolutionary one, but you know, it might even be a revolutionary one. Okay. This while true is funny. I have to write that code. Oh fuck. Wait a minute. Just check it. Okay, while true, and then bracket. That I still can't write. Damn it. I hate it. And why it doesn't work? Oh, oh, I'm terribly sorry. I'm terribly sorry. Can I choose a semicolon here? Oh, okay. Parentheses are missing, so that was not even bracket. Ah, you spin me right down, baby, right down. Sorry, it was an obligatory one. Okay. Then let's check what's the right stuff to do. Go. Rotate. To take semicolon. Go. Soldr. And go again. And before, rotate another one. Not exactly. I failed, sorry. So it goes up, it rotates, goes up, it rotates, it goes, it solders, then it does, and rotate -1 would be necessary. Not really. I'm sorry. Another go on it, and another solder, and another go. Oh, why it goes over? Oh yes, because there was already a go at the beginning of the loop. Ah, good boy. That's perfect. Perfect. I may have time to finish all the maps, but I'm not sure that I wanna do that. Yes, this level doesn't have any dips, which is obvious, because it's not that, it's absolutely not hard. Anyway, let's grab a semicolon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go 5, then rotate, then go 2, then rotate, then go 5 again, then rotate -1, go 5, rotate, go 2, rotate, go 5, rotate, then go 2, and rotate again. Now go 6, I watch it, and then solder, and we are done. Maybe. Yeah, you know, this game is not that hard if you're a game developer. Let's be honest. Oh fuck. This will require you to understand and use variables. This takes up a lot of memory. Depending on your solution, you may have use if instructions. Arca conditionals. Consider documentation for more information. You know, I'm not sure that I want to do that. What can I use if conditions for? Oh, simple arithmetic expressions. Okay. I think I'm gonna try doing it manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fucking semicolons. Soldr, rotate, and repeat. Then wait a minute. We can use a loop here, int. Then I think I definitely have to use at least an integer. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. While, damn it, while is smaller than 3, do the next. Equals e plus 1. I'm just, I wonder if the C solution works here, which looks like this. Okay, sorry. Then the simpler C solution doesn't really work. Okay, let's check it. What's happening? So it doesn't have enough places. Oh, sorry. I'm terribly sorry. It didn't run because I declared variable I as free. Oh. Let's think about it. I can change this value. Int distance equals 5 at the beginning, and I'm gonna go decrease distance let's check what's happening. Oh, errors where? Memory state. What the? I can use only one variable. It's not good. Anyway, it can be done with only one variable. Don't worry about that. Oh, what the fuck is happening? Oh, wait a minute. My DST is bigger than 0. I mean, yes. Let's check it. Okay. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh no. Mm-hmm. Oh, out of somebody. Ah, damn it. What should I have to do? Maybe another condition would be nice. This way. Okay, well, it takes some time to find out. Oh, sorry. I have no idea. So I can't store another variable. That's pretty obvious. There's no place for that. Not if I delete this shit. Then I have some place for it. Okay. Check if I can I check remainders. I'm afraid I can't. Let's try anyway. No, I can't check remainders. So it's just simple C. Because C++ has a built-in check for remainders, but simple C doesn't have one. Okay, we are iteration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know. A condition would be great. You know, it wouldn't be that hard if I would have enough memory. Some programming methodology. I know some about that because of my university knowledge. You know, I'm learning at a university. Programming. I learned programming at the university, so I have to know about it. Okay, so this way is 5 units long. This way is 5 units long as well. Oh ho 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 ho. Gotcha. I have to repeat it. before I decrease. And decrease now. Good boy, good boy. That pretty much works. You know, it was the hard part to find out that I had to repeat the code. Okay, let's check it. No, I don't wanna do that, so I think I'm about to exit now. Wait, can I even go back to the main menu somehow? I'm afraid I can't. Interface tips maybe can help me. Okay, tutorial. Okay. And that's all. So I can't go back to the menu. Then I can check the random app generator, so you have to check that by yourself. And to be honest, I would definitely recommend this program for everyone who would like to learn programming. You know, it's not a direct programming tutorial, but it can improve your programming abilities absolutely well. And I swear I love this game. Interface is a little bit simple, but it looks like as it should, and that's enough for me. So yeah, it was a great game. I think I'm gonna talk about the details with the U4 because I think he wants to know more information. Anyway, I would definitely recommend to check this game, and thanks for watching. If you would like to see your game or any games in this video series, then send me an email to customer17@hotmail.com, or maybe mention your game below the comments in this video. And of course, don't forget to like English HQ on Facebook, because I'm gonna share the possible subjects in the future. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.